Hello, gorgeous people. It's been a while. I'm here. It's not the typical range that I go. I'm here somewhere in the desert. Today is gonna be a what do you call this? It's a no hearing protection day. I'm not gonna wear any earplug or hearing protection because I'm going to use two of my suppressor. Is a 9mm. This is my Omega 9K with my Glock 17, and also I got my Cz Scorpion. It's a 9mm too. Got my suppressor here. This is my multi-caliber suppressor. It's a Liberty Can Cosmic 45. I don't know if you can see it. Before I start, please don't forget to subscribe. Alright folks, here you go. I have about 6 rounds over here. It's gonna be 147 grain. I'm gonna try to shoot the steel target and then the dirt so you can hear the difference. I'm not wearing any hearing protection. Here we go. First shot is gonna be shooting the steel target. Maybe first 2 shots steel target, okay? Then I'm going to shoot the dirt so you can hear how quiet this is. I missed the first one. Well, that's the second one. You can hear it. There you go. It's pretty cool. It's quiet, huh? More. Third. My Glock 17, it does cycle very well with my Omega 9. It is pretty hot in Vegas, you know that. Right, enough with the game. Get to the business. Alright, it's gonna be a Scorpion time. First shot. Repeat. Back to my Glock 17 Omega 9, okay? Keep missing the first shot. And I can shoot this all day without hearing protection. Shooting the dirt. Steel. Dirt. Actually, that's 147 grain. I believe it's gonna be all 147 grain the rest. Steel. Dirt. Yeah. Ha. about 7:30 p.m. in Las Vegas, and it's still bright as heaven. Right now it's only 90s, I believe. Not bad, you know. I'd rather have hot weather than cold weather. I believe I have like 1 or 2 more rounds in this Cz shooter. Alright, back to 17.
One hour later.
What the hell? I just ran out of battery. My shot timer's out. Oh well. Alright, gorgeous people. That is it for today or tonight. Until then, stay safe, be kind, and be humble. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time.